Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Test Automation World. Myself Pawan Suryavanshi. So today in this tutorial we are going to discuss the third type of variable, that is static variable. So in the previous session we have covered two types of variable, that is first one is local variable and the second one is instance variable. So today we are going to discuss about static variable in Java, that is third type of variable. So let me jump to my PPT. So today we are going to discuss the points as what is static variable in Java, and the second one is I'll show you the live program. So let's have a glimpse on what is static variable. So friends, in static variable, if you declare any variable as static, so it is defined as static variable. And when a variable is declared as static, then single copy of the variable is created. So friends, you need to remember this point. When we create any variable as static, with keyword as static, then the single copy has been created. And the third point is static variable can be used to refer common property of all objects. So for example, in company or school, the company name is same for all the employees, and the school name is for same for all the students. So static variable can be used in this example. I mean, for company name, then college name. The next point is it gets memory only once in the class area at the time of class loading. So when we declare the static variable, it gets memory only once, friends. So you need to remember these points while creating the static variable. And all the instances of the class share the same static variable. Suppose you are declaring an object of the class, then that objects of the class share the same static variable. And it has advantage such as it makes your program memory efficient, and it saves your memory. Suppose in I'll show you the program. Let me jump to Eclipse tool. So I'll open Eclipse tool. So let me create a new project. Suppose I'm giving a name as static variable in Java. Next, then click on finish. So as you can see, the project has been created, name as static variable in Java. So under this project, under SRC folder, we need to create a package, new, then package. Suppose I am giving a name as static variable in Java, then click on finish. Package has been created. So under package we need to create a class. Suppose I am giving static variable example. So click on finish. As you can see, the class has been created, name as static variable example. So under this I'll show you a very simple example, friends. So I'll declare static keyword, then int, then emp, number equal to 789. Okay, so this is static variable. We have to declare the static variable at the class level. So I'll name it as static variable. So this is the static variable, and in the next line, to call this employee number, that is 789, we need to create a main method, public static void main. Under the string array args. So this is the main method, and so friends, for to capture the static variable, so we don't need to create the object of the class. So we can declare class name dot that is static variable name, that is emp number. So I'll show you. So we need to declare in system.out.println, system.out.println. Class name is static variable, static variable example dot wait, that is emp number. So as you can see friends, I have declared a class name dot emp number, that is static variable name, that is emp number. So I'll save this and I'll run as Java application. As you can see in the console, 789 number has been displayed over here. We have declared simple, guys, I mean we have to declare static int emp number equal to 789, and to call the static variable, we have to declare only class name dot, that is variable name. So you need to remember one thing. So we don't need to create an object to call the static variable. I'll show you one more example. We'll take example regarding college name or organization name. So suppose I will take an example of college name. For example, suppose there are 1,000 students in your college, and so suppose I have declared variable name like roll number, then name, then college name. So suppose in your college there are 1,000 students. Now that instance variable, wait, I'll create project, then you will understand. Let me create a class. Suppose I'm giving a name as static variable test. Okay, finish. So I was discussing regarding college name. So suppose there are 1,000 students, then I have declared the variable like int roll name, roll number, then second one is I am declaring student name, string name. Okay, and third variable will take uh, college name. string college name. Okay, so suppose I'll take ABC. So I have declared three instance variable, roll number, name, and college name. So if you are not declaring a static variable for the college name, so likewise I have explained in the initial stage, that is college name, organization name, that is the it used to refer the common property of all objects. So if you are not declaring static variable for this college name, so it will get the memory for each time, then and it will take the more memory. So that is why, I mean, we need to declare the static variable for this common names, like college name, company name, organization names. So I am declaring static string college name. Okay, then I'll declare a constructor public class name. So don't worry guys, on the constructor topic I'll take a session later. So you need to remember one thing. So in constructor you need to declare the same name as that of class name. So I'll take a session, don't worry. So in constructor I'll declare parameters. For roll number I'll declare as R. So variable, we need to differentiate variables for roll number, name, and college name. And suppose suppose you are taking this same name, that is roll number, then you need to declare this keyword, this dot roll number equal to roll number. So this has several features. So don't worry guys, so on this keyword as well I'll take a session later. So to differentiate, then suppose you don't need to use this keyword, then you need to differentiate, you need to declare the different names. So I am taking different variable name, that is int r. Then for string n. Okay, so in this I'll take, to differentiate variables we have to take, we have to write like this, r equal to roll number. Okay, second one is name, n equal to name. And to display this data of the student, then I'll create one method, public public void display student info. Okay, to print this information, we need to declare system.out.println, system.out.println. So in this system.out.println we need to take the instance variable names, that is roll number, then name, then you have to assign a concatenate sign to consolidate these variables. So on concatenation as well I'll discuss later, don't worry. So roll number, then name, then college name. Okay, So like this we have declared the method, and on the next line we need to declare. So to call this instance variable and static variable, so we need to declare the main method, and in main method we need to declare the object public static void main. Okay, this is the main method, and I'm creating object. Suppose I'm taking s1 equal to new, then over here I'll take roll number as 23, and I'll take string as name as Pawan. Okay, and I'll create another object. uh, so I'm giving name s2, and I'm taking number as name as, sorry, Pratiksha. Okay, so I have created two objects. So to call the this instance variable and static variable, we have to take the object reference variable, that is s1 and s2. Then I am declaring s1 dot display student info method. Okay, and to call the to print the s2 reference variable object, that is static variable test s2 equal to new static variable. So this information 21 uh, Pratiksha, so we need to declare s2 dot display. Okay, wait. Okay, so over here we need to declare, remember one thing friends, so we need to declare uh, class variable, that is instance variable first, then constructor parameter variable, that is int r, then equal to n. Okay, so I'll save this, I'll run as, okay, I'll give a space over here. Roll number, name. Okay, no, wait. Okay, so as you can see in the console, the first object in infos, that is student info, has been printed over here, the for reference variable s1, that is 23 1 abc, and for second object reference variable s2 has been printed. Okay, so okay guys, So let me know if you have any query. Put your comments in the comment section. If you have any query, then I'll give a solution. And if you want me to cover any specific topic regarding or any specific point regarding static variable or static keyword, then I'll also cover that session. So I'll be taking a tutorial for that as well. So thank you for watching this video. So see you in the next session. Thank you.